Hi guys, I just wanted to create a video showing you guys how to um, use a planner either with Word Online by print or like printing it out or by using your phone. So just to talk about this from if you were able to print it out first, because I think that's the best way to do it, would be to, like I have this example right here, write in your class. So this one's English, write in your assignment. I just put journal, whatever the name of it is, and then the due date. So pretty simple, but you'd be surprised at how easy it makes it keep track of your homework if you're able to put all this stuff in here. Um, I'll have a couple different versions that you could use. This one's got a lamp. There's one that has a backpack, and there's one that's just words. It's up to you for that. Um, but that's if you print it out. It's real simple. You just write it in here and you're good to go. Now, if you guys were to want to use it on your computer, you just wanted to keep this as a Word document and type it in that way. The way you need to do that is to insert text boxes to be able to type. So um, you go to Insert, click Text Box, and draw a text box. And you just draw it in the little space that you have right here. And let's just do this one as math. And I don't like to have them like that tiny. I'm actually going to fix these ones up here once I get out of here. But so how you do that is just to make the text bigger, and then I always like to have them center. And we got the first one done. And just so I wouldn't have to do any more formatting, changing fonts or anything, I'm going to click the outside of this box and then Control C to copy it, click out, Control V to paste it. And then I can type in what the assignment is. I'm just going to put Chapter 10 worksheet. And you can do the same thing. You just click the text box, Control C to copy it, click out, Control V to paste it, and then put it in there, put your due dates. That's probably the hardest part, is just making sure that you put your right due date in there and then remembering to do your homework. So that is basically it. And then I will show you how to use a calendar for Google. I don't have an iPhone, but maybe I can access that. We'll see. Alright guys, this is showing you how to do the calendar on your phone. I'm going to do the Google one because that's what I have, but I can also show you what the iPhone looks like and kind of talk about how you probably would do that. It's going to be pretty similar. So let's get right into it. So for the Google Calendar, you're going to look for this plus create little button. It might be over here to the bottom right of the window on a phone, but you would look for that. You would click on create. It automatically does for today, and then you would put your homework. I would probably put math, and then I'm just going to put chapter 10 due April 20. And I would probably want to do it the day that I got it, just so that I know that I need to work on that. And you can change the time to something else. I usually, if it's something for school, would rather have the calendar selected for the whole day and not just an hour. So I'm going to go to more options, and I'm going to do all day, so then it has the whole day. And if you want to have a different color for a different class, you can do that too. And once you have it where you have the due date, the name of the class, you have the day that you want to do it on, then you go ahead and hit save. And there I can see it in red. I got to do my math, and then I can't see when it's due, but if I click on it, then it shows me. And if you wanted to do it another way where you just put when it's due, which you could do it that way as well, I can edit it and I can go here and click when it's due and then hit save, and so then it moves down here. Only problem with that is that you got to keep track of knowing that is when it's due, so you better get it done by that day. So just keep that in mind. And that is about it for the Google Calendar as far as adding things to the calendar. So now I'm just going to head over to iCloud, where Apple Calendar is. I can't access it because I don't have an Apple device, but this is what your calendar looks like on a few different devices. The one on the left is the MacBook, one on the right is the iPad, and the one in the middle is your phone. And as you can see, it has a little plus sign just like Google Calendar does up here in the laptop, up here on the phone and the tablet. And you can do the same thing. You can change the different colors, so that's what you see. And it's pretty much the same thing. Might not have the same features, but you're just using basic features anyways. So if you guys have any questions about any of these three things, let me know and I can help you.